Rights. Okay. Now let us go for differentiation. Then I'll go for integration. Okay. Then I'm trying to explain both differences. I'll write. So integration will find at particular point. Okay. Then integration will find one point to other point. The value of the function one point to other point. The differentiation we can represent d by dx. If the variable variation is x, d by dx of the function f of x at x is equal to some function, x is equal to some point, the answer is how much? X is equal to 1 point. But integration, the notation is like this: x is equal to a to x is equal to b. It means 1 point other point, f of x into dx. Dx is a variable. The function which is in terms of x, you can write dx. The function in terms of y, you can write dy. Here like that, the function in terms of f of x, nothing but you can write d by dx. If function of y means dy by dy. Function in z, dz by dz. I think you are already seen the differentiation experience. It is a
Yes.
particular point, it is a 2 points variable. So there are number of formulas for the differentiation, they have number of formulas for the integration also. Okay, just this is the difference you need to understand. Just now I was already told you a d by dx of f of x at a flat number 501, how many people are there, we can count. Then integration x is equal to a to x is equal to b, some flat number 1 to flat number 501, f of x dx means flat number 1 to flat number 500. How many people are there? We can count 1 point to other point. We can find the answer here. Next, one more main important point is in the integration. Integration after getting answer, we can write plus c. We can write plus c. Example I'm telling. I think when you're writing the
I
differentiation, when you're doing the function something else, differentiation of x cube uncounted, I think you can write x power n into x power n minus 1, you can write 3x square. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
So after like that, if we integration something else, I'll explain the formula. Example I'm telling, integration of x cube is equal to x cube dx is equal to answer is x power 4 by 4. How you got, I'll tell you. After getting answer, we have to write plus c. We have to write plus c. So why we write answer,
It's a rule, sir.
yeah, I will tell you. Integration, uh, why we use plus c, why we use or why we add plus c at answer. ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలి? What is the rule? Why we can add the rule? Actually college, the faculty will say that this is the rule to add plus c after getting answer. Simple. Actually there is a specific answer is there for you. Let us integration a to b f of x dx. After getting answer, we have to write plus c. Why we can add plus c? Okay, it is a rule, it's okay, but background there was a reason is there. Example, I'll go to the example, same what you learned in the previous case. This is a flat example I told you. Actually, you are a Kushal, right? Yet I was
Sir.
telling to Kushal, go to this Kushal apartments. Please find at flat number 3 how many people are there. What we can do, you can go to directly Kushal apartments and go to flat number 3. You can ask. We can call the people. They will come and open the door. Then you can enter into the home. They can sit in the sofa set. We can count the people. How many people are there? They people to say. So please come together. They will come to your virtually. You can see the people. They can count it is and 2 members. Then you can take a data Aadhaar card. Then come back to your home and tell him to Praveen sir. Sir, 2 people are there. Yes or no? then then I'll take
Yes,
same
sir.
other example also. Please go to Kushal and flat number 5. How many people are there? You can go to flat number 5. You can count the people there are. So let us take a 5 members. You can call mother, father, the people. Then you can say members or 5 sir, come to say the answer to me. So answer is correct. Okay, but this is the differentiation is done. Same I will tell to Kushal. Kushal, go to this Kushal apartments. Please find the students. The flat number 1 to flat number 4000. What we can do, go to first apartment and take a data, plus go to
Integ-
second apartment, then take a data, go to third apartment, take a data, then go to fourth apartment. Like that you keep on, will you go to 4000 apartments? When you will you really go to 4000?
No, sir.
You'll go you will go sometimes 100, 200, 300. After gone, you go and call the people, knock the door, they will open. Please ask how many people are there. They will say 5. They can write and go back. You're not supposed to
Yes.
have a time to call all people. So like that example I'm telling, when you're taking a multiple data, you may not get an accurate answer. Am I clear? You may not get an accurate answer. Exactly, if you go 1 to 4,000, there is having a 5,000 people are their example. But when you take an integration function, other than the original value is 5,000 example, but when you're doing the data, you may get 4,900 example. I'm telling you may get 5,002 also. Sometimes I'm telling, and there was some deviation, there was a some error. Say you get error in the integration, not in the differentiation. To reduce the error, we are adding a constant is plus c. C is a constant for using error correcting. Error
Okay, sir.
correcting అంటే ఎర్రర్ అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ నీకు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వచ్చింది, 4,900 వచ్చింది ఎగ్జాంపుల్, 4,990 వచ్చింది, ప్లస్ సి రాసా అంటే ప్లస్ సి వాల్యూ ఎంత అన్నట్టు ప్లస్ 10 అనమాట. యూ మే గెట్ 5,000. ఓకే, యూ మే గెట్ 5,010 అనుకోండి, ప్లస్ సి అనుకోండి, హౌ మచ్ ఆన్సర్, సి వాల్యూ ఎంత -10. అంటే సి is a constant to correcting error to balancing the equation. I think you have a chemistry, you have a equation balancing left and right. Am I clear? It's some equation, whatever it is there, we need to balancing something, you need to keep it like that. You has to use plus c in the integration. It is very, very important. You need to understand very basically. This is the difference between differentiation and integration. I think a little bit clear, Anna. What is the differentiation? What is integration?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you go for engineering, or tomorrow after completion of BTech something else, you need to do, you need to apply some modification, some functionality. You need to understand why we can use, what the purpose of that. Okay, let us, I'll try to enter directly into real concepts. Right, now I'm something exercise I'll do for the differentiation, then I'll go for integration, because if you're not good in differentiation, you're not supposed to understand integration. This is I'm telling frankly, because when I was doing the
Yeah, sir, I have little bit problem. Means I have to do practice once.
it's okay, no problem.
It's been long time now.
Yeah, Kushal, no problem. Just I was recalling you differentiation, because if you're not wherever you're not at good, please recollecting yourself right now. Nothing in that, because when I was doing the integration, I'm unable to coming back to differentiation. I'm unable to explain to you. That is why I'm recalling you. Okay, just I'll ask you,
Okay.
even if you know, you can tell me, sir. I say I know, right? Okay.
Okay.
Let us, I'm telling the first formula. If you don't know, please be regular. Tomorrow onwards, please maintain a one separate book and pen and paper. Anyway, no problem.
Yes, sir.
I will record the class. I'll send back to you after through WhatsApp. You can watch the video once again also. But meanwhile, you have to prepare.
Okay.
Right? Right. Then first formula is d by dx of constant. What is the answer, Nana? D by dx of
Constant. Constant. Sir.
answer is 0. D by dx of constant is 0. Okay, don't worry, no problem. Tell me, no problem. Okay, example తీసుకుంటాను. D by dx of 3 answer ఎంత? 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
D by dx of some value, let us take some 500. Answer is how much? 0 only.
0.
Some d by dx of some value, let us take a తీసుకోండి. A is a constant value, 0. Some d by dx of some value c. C is a constant. The answer is 0. What we can say, d by dx of constant is 0. First formula differentiation లో ఇది మనకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
వాట్ ఇస్ సిస్టర్ నేమ్, నానా?
Bhavya.
భవ్య.
But she's not there, sir.
Okay, okay, right, no problem. I think
Yeah,
she is with you, I am thinking. Okay, no problem.
No, no, no. I'm only one. Sir.
Okay, okay, no problem.
She's not there now.
Okay, right, no problem. Right, next d by dx of constant is over. Next second formula is d by dx of constant into some function is there. Constant into some function is there. How can you do means, please make a constant in outside.
Constant, sir.
Constant, make it outside, then do the function only, then do the differentiation function only. Okay, now keep a constant outside, do the differentiation for variable. So k, keep it out, nana. D by dx of x how much, nana? 1. Answer is k for
1.
this question. Okay, first formula, second formula into the d by dx of some constant into function, you has to keep it constant outside, then do the differentiation for other thing. Okay, that is the second formula. Then I'll go for a third formula, d by dx of x. How much answer? D by dx of x is how much?
1, sir.
d by dx of x is 1. Good. Just now I told you. Okay. d by dx of x is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X is 1. Very good. Okay. This is the third formula. Next, I'll go to next formula, fourth one. Then d by dx of x power n. What is the formula? N into
Nx power n minus 1.
very good. D by dx of x power n into correct only. D by dx of x power 1 is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Very good. Let us take an example. You need to understand. I'll explain. Try to. D by dx of root x is there. Root x you can do. Actual answer is 1 by 2 root x formula. This question I'll do in x power n model. D by dx of root x and time right you. X power 1 by 2 you can write.
1 by 2.
So x power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. This you can write 1 by 2 x power 1 minus 1 by 2, write down x power 1 by 2. No. So 1 by 2 root x. So this is the place you can apply root x. Clear? Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
This is the fourth formula. Nice. Next, I'll go to fifth formula. D by dx of e power x.
E
Exponential
power
function.
x only, sir.
E power x,
For
e power x.
e power
Very
x.
good. Very good. Very good. Good boy. D by dx of a power x.
Log a into x.
D by dx of a power x means a power x into log a. Okay. A power x into log a. If you are very first time for this formula, I'll take an example. D by dx of 2 power x you can take. Instead of here, how much it is there here? 2 is there, right? So answer is 2 power x log 2. Arthamainda?
Yes, sir.
Or else you can take one more example. D by dx of 5 power x. The answer is 5 power x into log 5.
Okay.
This is the a power x formula. Next, second one, d by dx of log x. Very famous formula. Answer is 1 by
Yes,
x.
sir. 1 by x.
1 by x. Okay. This is the basic formulas which you are already seeing. Clear? Root x I told you. Then eighth one I'll write. D by dx of 1 by
Sine
x.
cos.
Then I'll come to that. Next level. Those are. D by dx of 1 by x how much?
1 by x, x, sir. Log x.
No. I'll try to explain this question. You may not confuse. Okay. D by dx of 1 by x you can write. D by dx. 1 by x is there. I can write x power minus 1. Okay. Question I was changed. Okay. It look like x power n model. What can I write? N into x power
Yes,
n
sir.
minus 1.
N minus
So
1.
minus x power minus 2. So minus 1 by x square answer. Arthamainda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Root x is 1 by 2 root x, I told you. Like that you can do. This is a level 1. Okay. Level 2 is over. Level 2, I'll try to explain. D by dx of sin x. Answer how much?
Cos x, sir.
Very good. D by dx of sin x is cos x. Then d by dx of cos x
Minus sin x.
minus sin x. Good. D by dx of tan x.
Secant square x, sir.
Good. D by dx of cot x.
Minus cosecant square x.
Very good boy. D by dx of cot x. Tan x is over, right? D by dx of secant x.
Yes, sir. Cot x.
D by dx of secant x. No. Secant x tan x. D by dx of cot x.
Secant x. Cot x.
This is d by
Minus
dx
cosecant square x, sir.
minus cosecant x cot
Cosecant
x.
square.
Just one second remaining. D by dx of sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is secant square x. Nana. D by dx of cot x is secant cosecant square x minus cosecant square x. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. D by dx of cot x is minus cosecant x cot x. Okay. Okay. I'll tell one logic. D by dx of sin x means just cos x. Cos x means just sin x. Tan will cot will come.
Minus sin x.
Just I will tell you. Tan x means square will come. Secant square here cosecant square will come. secant cosecant cot will come, double terms will come, secant tan and cosecant cot. This is the first level. Second, how to remember, some after getting to the examination, you might have a confusion, sir, where I should write minus, sir, when which form. Sometimes the people will sin x means minus cos x, some people will say tan x means minus secant square x, some people will say secant x means minus secant x cot x. Some people might have a confusion where I should get a minus. Okay, I will give one logic. See, whenever you get a c, whenever you get c, cot లో c ఉంటది, సారీ వాట్ కెన్ సే, cot లో c ఉంటది, ఇక్కడ cosecant కదా, cosecant లో c ఉంటది, cos లో c ఉంటది. Whenever you get c in the term, you may take a minus. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only c terms, cos, cot and cosecant. Remaining sin, tan, secant, you will get positive. This only you'll get negative. Okay, this is the way you can limit
Okay.
the formulas. This is the second set formulas. Then you get then differentiation of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, then 1 by 1 plus x square. These formulas will be there. That this is the basic formulas. This you has to know first of all. Then with this we can directly, I'll write the formulas list in the integration, and tomorrow then I'll start the questions with the integration. Whenever I'll get requirement of differentiation, I'll come back and I'll give the formula and differentiation. I'll move forward with the integration. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This is my from side, my demo
Sir,
class.
for
Yeah,
us,
tell
inverse formulas is not there, no, sir. In first year, they were cancelled 30%.
yeah, that is the thing actually. The
But
student,
in second year, it is there, sir. In
yeah,
integrations, it include.
1 minute.